लेट्स डू गाइस, ये हम कहाँ आ गए? चा जान दे जान। अस्सलाम वालेकुम गाइस, क्या हाल हैं? कूची टनल, हो ची मिन सिटी, वियतनाम करंटली एक्सप्लोर करने आया हूँ मैं। छोटा सा इंट्रोडक्शन दे दूँ मैं कूची टनल्स के बारे में। 1940s में वियतनामीज़ वार हुई थी यूनाइटेड स्टेट्स के ख़िलाफ़, और उस वार में जो हमारे यहाँ जैसे गोरिल्ला ट्रूप्स होते हैं, वही गोरिल्ला ट्रूप्स जो नॉर्थ वियतनामीज़ आर्मी के जो ट्रूप्स थे, उन्होंने हाथों से ये टनल्स खोदे थे। और ये जो टनल्स यूज़ होते थे, ये सरप्राइज़ अटैक्स, सप्लाइज़, और जब अटैक्स करते थे वो लोग, तो एक सरप्राइज़ अटैक्स करने के बाद अपने ट्रूप्स को, यानी कि सोल्जर्स वगैरह को छुपाने के लिए, शेल्टर देने के लिए, और इन सब मकासद के लिए यूज़ होता था। सो हम भी आए हैं आज एक्सप्लोर करने कूची टनल्स। रहिए कनेक्टेड, आज एक्सप्लोर करते हैं कूची टनल्स इन हो ची मिन सिटी, वियतनाम। शटल सर्विस हमें लेके जा रही है। मैंने शूटिंग रेंज बुक की है सबसे पहले, तो उसके बाद टनल्स जाएंगे। यार टनल चलते हैं। तो क्योंकि शूटिंग रेंज में गया था, तो आपने देखा होगा शूटिंग रेंज में एक वो वाइट कलर का बॉक्स होता है। वाइट कलर के बॉक्स के अंदर बंदा बना होता है, तो आपने वो बंदे का निशाना लेना होता है। बंदा तो छोड़ो, वाइट पूरे बॉक्स पे भी कहीं गोली नहीं लगी, और एक छोड़ो 5 में से भी कोई एक नहीं लगी। तो एंड में हम इस कंक्लूजन पे पहुँचे कि भाई उनकी पिस्टल ख़राब थी, छोड़ो दफ़ा मारो, आओ टनल चलते हैं। एक वियतनामीज़ लोकल ग्रुप है, उनके साथ इन्होंने हमें मिला दिया, क्योंकि टनल्स के अंदर रूल्स के मुताबिक एलोन या अकेले जाना अलाउ नहीं है। आपके साथ कोई ना कोई अटेंडेंट लाजमी होना चाहिए। और भी कुछ रूल्स हैं वहाँ पे लिखे हुए हैं, 70 अबव, जिनको अंधेरों वगैरह से, नैरो रोड से डर लगता है, और जो बीमारियाँ कार्डियोवैस्कुलर वगैरह, ये सारी चीज़ें। तो चलते हैं ग्रुप के साथ अंदर और एक्सप्लोर करते हैं कुछ टनल्स, और इनके बारे में बताता चलूँ। जो इनकी डिस्टेंस थी, एशिया रिकॉर्ड्स में आते हैं ये लॉन्गेस्ट टनल ऑफ एशिया, और 250 किलोमीटर के ये टनल्स बनाए गए थे, जिसमें से 120 किलोमीटर के आज तक वेल प्रिजर्व्ड हैं, और वो अवेलेबल हैं पब्लिक विजिट्स के लिए। लेट्स सी।
In front of you right now, this is the map of Uchi district, and on the map, this is Uchi area. We're here right now. From this place to Saigon Center, now Ho Chi Minh City, it's around like 70 kilometers. And you see here, there are different colors. The here's red area at a time back then. Here it's called Liberation Zone of the Viet Cong's territory. You know Viet Cong who they are? The Vietnamese communists. So areas around here, battlefields. And another time they'll call it conflicts or disputed areas. The yellow ones, concentration camps. And these places set up by U.S. Army. Navy spot, it's American base here. And only one. This one. All the dark blue, triangle, and circle spots around here. U.S. bases and camps. And the black lines, all the black lines around here in the red area. And these one, symbolizing for tunnels in this flat land back then. Here, the Saigon River, the blue light here. The very first tunnel was dug here, 1948, in the time of Indochina War. It's around like 48 kilometers with only one layer and used mainly for hiding documents, weapons, and concealing people, not really used for fighting or defending. And later on in 1961, Vietnam War, or American War, the fighters here, they showed this place for setting up the base as a headquarters. And then they started to turn around. They also knew they couldn't again the superior superpower from U.S. Army and its allies. So they needed to expand their tunnel system larger. By the end of the year 1972, at the end of the war, this tunnel system had been expanded for over 250 kilometers. Around 6 villages around here in the red area, as see here, we link together with tunnels. And now to know about the tunnel structure, we come to the diagram, the model over here. Come here, please. This is the cross section of a typical unit under the ground. There are different layers, and the Gucci tunnel system got 3 layers at 3 depth levels. The top one, it's around 3 meters deep, with many rooms, corridors, underground living spaces. Level 2 around 6 meters deep. The third one, 8, 10, even some places 12 meters. Right. In the top layer, there are different rooms. The first one you see here is the meeting room. Next one, dining room, also kitchen, with a unique stove cooking. And for this, when the fighters cook, the smoke, it will follow a Jimmy system. You see here, with many small chambers, like a filter. Step by step, on the smoke coming out, just far away from the room. And especially right at the outlets here, the smoke just keeps staying low and then dissipating into the atmosphere around, so it's hard to be detected by helicopters from the air. This one, like a resting room, also like medical wards, storage cache for food, weapons, and explosives. Secret way, a small way to get in and out tunnels. And fighting room, like a small space under the ground where the vehicle they can ambush, and they can see the outside through small gaps on the wall like snipers. So when the opponent gets close, they can stick the gun, the rifle through those on shoot. Thousands of these along the tunnels, and with these room here, the fighters, Gucci fighters, they can defend and strike back when the opponent goes to just play for attacking. Along the tunnels, there are always fans for circulating the air. Ventilation shaft here, and inside is a long bamboo pole. Triangular room, it's a bomb shelter. The well in the tunnel system for getting water, around 15 meters deep. And in addition, some places down here were made quite small, like this one, like a bottleneck. Small, skinny vehicles. They can easily worm their way through. Entire American soldiers were down the tunnel system. There's no way for them to get through these passages. Booby bamboo spike traps here, and at time the trap they will lay and set everywhere on the ground, in this room, and along the tunnels down. With these traps down here, they normally would be well hidden under wooden covers, so the fighters they can move on top of the trap. When they knew someone was down, the vehicle just take out the covers of the traps. Also, there's some ways leading to the river side, the emergency escape. It took 20 years for making the whole thing, all done with hands, with the simple tools. There's no vehicles or machines utilized at the time of excavating tunnels. So that's all for my presentation. Now my co-worker will take you out to see the tunnels. Please go ahead, Didi.
अब हमें लेके जा रहे हैं टनल्स की तरफ। पहले इन्होंने एक छोटी सी डॉक्यूमेंट्री दिखाई, डॉक्यूमेंट्री के बाद एक बंदे ने प्रॉपरली प्रेजेंटेशन दी, वो मैंने आप लोगों को दिखाई। अब हम जा रहे हैं टनल्स की तरफ। लेट्स सी एंट्रेंस, और आई थिंक ये है वो जगह। सो गाइस, ये है अंडरग्राउंड वाटर वेल।
And right now, who wants to go, follow me, okay? And who don't want to go in, you come over there and wait for me, okay? Are you ready?
कितना लंबा
Follow me, please.
15 मीटर। चेक करो टनल्स की क्या। गाइस दुआ करना। सो भाई ये टनल्स हैं, चेक करो। ये पानी का कुआं है, यहाँ से पानी निकालते थे भाई ये लोग। ये इनका एक रूम है, प्रेजेंटेशन में इन्होंने दिखाया सब। टनल्स चेक करो भाई, ऐसे चलना है बैठ बैठ के। तो ये कहाँ आ गए हुए हम? वो ये हम कहाँ आ गए गाइस? ये हम कहाँ आ गए? टनल प्योर गोरिल्ला यार, चेक करो, मतलब कि जैसे बत्तख वाले एक मोमेंट में जा चले गए हम। निकल गया, बाहर निकल गया गाइस, शुक्र है। तो भाई चेक करो, ऐसे शकून शकून से निकल गया फाइनली। सिर्फ 15 मीटर, छोटा सा 15 मीटर का राउंड था, हमारी उसमें ही बस हो गई। सलाम है भाई वियतनाम फोर्स को, सलाम है।
The air vent, you see there, you know air ventilation, and on the top we made the air vent look like a termite. Do you termite? Because you know inside the jungle there are real termite over there, real termite. We made the air vent look like a termite. You know they confuse American soldier, and when American soldier came here, they cannot recognize what is it. They think the termite net not air vent.
आज़ादी ऐसे नहीं मिलती भाई, मेहनत करनी
The air
पड़ती है।
vent look like the termite. This is a real termite. This is a natural one. Okay, but actually inside here you will see the kin of the termite, big like this and long like this, a lot of vitamin, very good for health. Okay, especially strong. Yes, keep going.
Free proteins.
You see that? And in the wartime we met 1,000 of fighting bunker like this, connect together by the tunnel underneath. Okay, and inside the fighting bunker there are 3 or 5 fighters. You know fighter, Củ Chi gorilla. Around the fighting bunker, there are many shooting holes over here, like the sniper hole. You know, sniper, we stand up down there and put the rifle, they're gonna shoot outside. And from there, we can see American soldier coming, but American soldier never know where we are. And this fighting bunker always connect the tunnel. Okay? And how could get inside the tunnel? We met many entrance over there. Get closer and have a look. Okay? Oh. You see over here, to the entrance of the tunnel. Entrance here. We call it secret entrance. And my group, you saw that entrance over there, the bigger entrance. We must eat for tourists. But you know,
okay,
actually in the wartime, we get in and get out of the tunnel by the entrance like this, okay? Small entrance. About 20 by 40 centimeters, you know. We must is big enough for Vietnamese people, Vietnamese side. They are very tiny, skinny, limey. Easy to get in. But, you know, American soldiers so big, they couldn't fit down there, okay? And this entrance, you see, we're covered on the top by the right lip or rat when they got down. And when you go down, you have to know how to get in, not easy. You stand up down there and put the lip around the hole, and you put the lip on the top, you know, and you hold the lip, put your arms up like this, stretch your arm, and knee down slowly and close the door, okay? But you know, in the wartime, the last person, the last Củ Chi fighter, they have to come up by themselves, and they set up one grenade, the new grenade, the landmine under the lip, you know. Just in case, you know, when American soldier, when they found the entrance, what did they do? They opened the door. The landmine, you know, blow up, you know, it blows. And kill more people that standing around here. And this entrance will be collapsed, you know. They couldn't see the way to get in. And the VC down there come out the other entrance. Because, you know, in the wartime, not only one. We met many, many entrances connect together
Exactly.
by the tunnel underneath. And right now, who want to try it, you know? Do you want to go in? You get inside here, turn right. And then you come out the other entrance over there, only 5 meters. But anyone, if you feel over here not fit, I give you the bigger one over there. Bigger one.
I will try.
हुआ बिगड़ा।
This one for the happy Buddha.
Oh.
You get inside, turn right.
That's how you get inside. That's how. Wow.
You try.
बन रही है ना?
Why?
You gotta stand up, put on your hand.
ऐसे भी जाएगा।
Ủa, ông còn thì ông đi mà trong cái đó em nói phải chi ví dụ mà ông lên một kỳ thì em nói bây giờ ông đi trong khi đó đi đậu ông không đi ông thua là đâu có làm được cái đó anh tự ông
Probably try that.
Chả, guys.
cũng gì chết rồi.
Chả.
next one you see over
Okay.
here to the booby trap. That the Gucci fighter they leave you in the water. And you know before we didn't have another weapon. That's why we use the bamboo to make the booby trap like this. We set the bamboo, we chop the bamboo. And in the wartime we set up the trap, you know, along the tunnel. In front of the secret entrance you saw over there. In order to prevent the American soldier they find the entrance. That's why you know in front of the secret entrance we set.
Okay.
That's a
You
collapse.
see that right corner, that's a collapse tunnel, okay? That's the original tunnel. That's the real tunnel.
Wow.
That's the level one about 3 meters deep underground. And you know, after the war, after the many years, and some tunnel collapse by themselves. Why? But you know, original tunnel only soil. It's not strong enough after the war. And some tunnel collapse by the time, by the weather in Vietnam rainy season. The next bunker you see over here is the health bunker. You know health bunker? Like a hospital bunker, medical bunker. This bunker was used for relaxing, sleeping of the wounded soldier. Okay? And right now you have the other tunnel you can try. This is the easy one, only 5 meters. You get in here and you go over there. You see the surgery bunker over there. This one easier than that one over there. About 15 feet, okay? After this one you can try the longer tunnel over there. About 50 meters long. Okay? And you can try the second layer. Okay? And right now who wants to go follow me please? And inside here we have the two beds over here, relaxing, sleeping of the one soldier. And we use the oil lamp, oil lamp,
Yes.
lantern, kerosene for lighting. And right now at the time we didn't have enough electricity, no. We use the oil lamp for lighting. But you see over here the tourist sign, we made a little bit bigger than before. 50% bigger than before.
Oh.
Original sign like this, okay, very small, narrow, okay. To the tourist sign, okay. Follow me, please.
It's your size. Yeah.
Okay. Oh wow.
This is original or the ceiling collapsed?
No, this is a real location, But right now we made a bunker a little bit bigger.
Bigger for the tourists.
Yeah,
Yeah,
for
no, I
tourists,
know,
that's the real location.
But it did not have
No,
ceiling.
no roof,
No, no.
roof. It's for underground. So American see you and shoot you.
That's
It's well carved on the top, carved on the top
Just
by
like
the
the
timber.
oldest. Just like the
By
oldest.
the timber, okay, we use the bamboo mat from the bamboo tree. We put on the timber,
Ah.
and we use the soil or rock and leaf we put on the top. When American soldier came here, they cannot recognize when. Hammer, okay.
Yeah.
Because we don't have enough the treasure, we use the hammer, and we put the one soldier on the hammer and carry them to the hospital bunker. And then you see that the uniform of Gucci fighter uniform. Tell about hair, scarf, Ho Chi Minh sandal. And this sandal was made from the old car tire. Old car tire, truck tire. You see that? The so was tire. This one was made in the tube. Okay. And in the wartime, there were about 18,000. 18,000. The local people over here, they follow the revolutionary fort. And after the war, about 12,000 people died here. 12,000. Okay. Only Gucci area, 12,000. And during Vietnam War, about over 3 million Vietnamese people died in Vietnam. But only Gucci area, about 12,000. Okay. And my group right now, we are keep moving that way. And then you see the meeting room. And then you have the other tunnel you can try. Okay, follow me this way. Okay, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay.
नहीं आ रहा ये देखो डरपोक लोग ये रहे
हाइट लंबी
डर हाइट ये 15 मीटर से छोटी है
Mi apasiona, me encanta. Entonces, si quieres otra experiencia, adelante, si no.
Get deeper.
ये हम कहाँ आ गए भाई आर्मी की ट्रेनिंग चल रही है
Io tantizi, ma tantizi.
Oh my goodness.
You see over here the meeting room, meeting bunker. And you see the one man is standing, he the commander. He the major general. But in the wartime, there are a general over here, but they're back away. And they are Gucci fighter, they're local, they come from the local people, civilian case. And inside the bunker, we set up a lot of movie trap. I want my group to get closer and have a look. You see the mortar over here. And you know, in the wartime, you know, sometimes American soldiers, they found the tunnel, they knew the tunnel. They get inside here, they want to kill the VC in here. That's why we set up a lot of booby trap over here. And this rock, you know, normally is well covered. They didn't know where to trap and they stepped on it, you know. But right now we open like this for tourists. Easy to see. But right now, I want to know, you want to go out or continue? Do you want to go longer? 30 more meters.
And let's do it.
Too small or?
It's better to exit. No, it's small for 15 minutes. After that, we have to crawl. Crawl.
Line is better to exit. Esa es la salida.
Wow. नहीं भाई.
The last one, you know, finally, the last one. Only 10 meters. The easy one, you don't be worried. Okay, you see the two bunker down there, two bunker. The red team bunker, a commander. And the unit secretary bunker, a commander. Unit secretary. They're writing a commander. But in the wartime, there are major general. You know, major general.
Yes.
Okay, but they're bad away. Many general over here. But you know, I told you no room, you know. It's
yeah.
well underground and well covered on the top.
Ah.
And this bunker on way link in the tunnel. Just in case, you know, when American soldier they rub the bomb in here, you know, the commander they have to follow the tunnel and they escape to the other side. The last one. After this one, I give you the water. Water, clean your hand, your face, and then I would like to invite you enjoy the local food in here. You know, local food. We call it tapioca. You know, cassava, like potato. Okay, manioc, okay. If you want to know, you should try later. Okay, you will know. Okay.
Okay.
Follow me, please. The last one.
नहीं. सिर्फ दिखाएगा.
Keep going.
हाँ, सिर्फ
Did
दिखाएगा.
a walking bunker commander. Typewriter, telephone, cup of tea, the helmets, the map of the area, you know. And then go straight here. You see the hammock here? Hammock. Keep going, hammock here.
Ah, yes.
This is a red team bunker. Red team, okay.
Hammer.
You see there's a pillow here. There's a wooden pillow. Wooden pillow. You see it?
तकिया.
Wooden pillow. Wooden pillow.
Pico.
You see the other tunnel, second layer down there, second layer.
Ah,
You see
yes.
this?
बस भाई इतना सही था.
Keep going this way.
दिस वॉज द लास्ट बंकर. अब हम जाएंगे जो उस ज़माने में सोल्जर्स फूड यूज़ करते थे, कसावा जो कि पोटैटो का होता है, और एक दो चीज़ें और हैं. फूड का दिखाते हैं. सो गाइज़, ये था आज का हमारा कुची टनल्स का टूर. और इंफॉर्मेशन तो सारी टूर गाइड के थ्रू मैंने आपको दी. बाकी जो टनल्स दिखा सकता था मैंने आप लोगों को दिखाए. और इंग्लिश में टूर गाइड था जिसने दी, तो कोशिश है मेरी कि सबटाइटल्स परफेक्टली यूज़ किए हों मैंने. कोई गलती हो तो भाई खुद आकर देख लेना मेरा. सो यही था आज का. हिस्ट्री आपको बता चुके हैं, प्रेजेंटेशन दे चुके हैं, सब दे चुके हैं. और वियतनामीज़ सोल्जर्स को जिन्होंने हेलीकॉप्टर्स, वियतनामीज़ सोल्जर्स जिन्होंने हेलीकॉप्टर्स को और तैयारों को फ़कत सिर्फ राइफ़ल्स से और बम्बू, मतलब वो जो बम्बू स्टिक्स होती हैं ट्रीज़ में, उनको काट के उनके जो ट्रैप्स बनाए और ऐसे उन्होंने जंगलात में वॉर लड़ी। और यूएसए ने, मतलब अमेरिका ने काफ़ी साल तक कोशिश की, पर वो साइगोन, जो कि हो ची मिन सिटी का पुराना नाम है, कब्ज़ा नहीं कर सके। तो अमेरिकन्स की जो लाख कोशिशें हैं, उनके बावजूद, सालों की कोशिशों के बावजूद, वो एटलीस्ट साइगोन सिटी तक पहुंचने में और कब्ज़ा करने में हमेशा नाकाम रहे। क्योंकि ये जो टैक्टिक्स हैं, टैक्टिक्स देखने वाली हैं, जो टैक्टिक्स और स्ट्रेटजीज़ वियतनामीज़ गोरिल्लाज़ ने यूज़ की अगेंस्ट द अमेरिकन फोर्सेस, मानने वाली बात है। और इस बात पे भाई वियतनाम फोर्सेस को मेरा सलाम है। आज की वीडियो बताइएगा कैसी लगी भाई, आज की वीडियो लाजमी बताइएगा कैसी लगी। और अगर कुछ मिस हो गया तो भाई वियतनाम की टिकट पकड़ के आ जाना और ख़ुद ही देख लेना। जितना कुछ मैं दिखा सकता था दिखा दिया, दिल पे मत लेना। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट क्लिप में। लाइक करना और सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल मत भूलना, और सब्सक्राइब के बाद जो बेल आइकन यानी कि फॉलो का बटन है वो बिल्कुल भी दबाना है, मत भूलना। मिलते हैं भाई नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए अपना ख्याल रखना, दुआओं में याद रखना। टेक केयर, अल्लाह हाफिज़।